No more for you. God, you're getting fatter by the hour.
My mother always wanted me to be a sylph, all lithe and elegant like her. And when I hit puberty, my body changed seemingly overnight, the bulk melting off like I was a snowman in the sun. Only, instead of finally pleasing her, that somehow made her resent me even more.
Do you love that boy?
God, jeez, you scared me. How long have you been standing there?
Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. Well, are you going to answer my question?
What question?
That boy next door. Do you love him?
What are you talking about? It's none of your business.
I don't love your father. I can't stand him, as a matter of fact.
What the fuck? Why would you say that to me? Go fucking tell it to someone else.